Welcome to 5 minute solution. In this video I am going to show you how you can reset your Windows 11 computer without losing any data. So for that you have to open your settings. Then here you'll have to go to Windows Update and click on Advanced option and click on Recovery. In here you will find the option called Reset this PC. Here you will have to choose Keep My Files. So basically if you choose Keep My Files, it will completely delete your C drive, but it will keep your other drives, and it will keep your all the important files, unless these files are in desktop and other documents, pictures, downloads, etc. option. So all you have to do is copy all the files from this folder to your other drive. So your other drive will be safe from getting the files deleted, but your C drive will be completely deleted. So as you and all the installed programs in C drive will also be deleted, and all the settings and other stuff will be deleted, but your important files in the other drives will be kept. So usually all of us uses the C drive for Windows softwares and the settings, but sometimes we forget to move our important files from the C drive. So I would suggest you to move your important files from the C drive to your main other drives. Then you have to choose this reset option, and you have to choose Keep My Files option. In this way your other files will be not deleted, and your C drive will be completely deleted, and your Windows will be reinstalled. So you have two options here, local reinstall and cloud download. If you have the Windows 11 OS image, you can choose local reinstall, and if you don't have it, you can click on cloud download and select the Windows version of yours, which is Windows 11, and you can choose the 32-bit or 64-bit from there and click on next and finish. It will take some time and some internet. As you can see, it says cloud download can use more than 4 GB of data. So all you have to do is click on next and finish it, and it will install the Windows again in the C drive only, and automatically you don't have to do anything, and all of your file in the other drives will be saved. And this is how you can reset your PC by keeping your files and without losing any data. So if you want more videos like this, then comment and subscribe, and thanks for watching this video.